Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to find Trust Wallet seed phrases. Before we get into it, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more crypto related videos. First thing you need to do is to simply open your Trust Wallet application. Now once you have successfully logged into your Trust Wallet account, after that in order to find seed phrases you just need to tap on this your wallet at the top, and after that you need to tap on these three dots on your active wallet. So tap on these three dots and here you will be able to see two options. First one is Google Drive and the second one is manual. So in order to see your seed phrases, so simply tap on this backup now manual button, and after that you need to check this both option. After checking, click on continue button, and here you can see your Trust Wallet secret phrases. Make sure to save this in a safe place and don't forget to put a space between each word. This seed phrases is used to recover your account when you lost your Trust Wallet access. And that's it. Now you know how to find Trust Wallet seed phrases. If this video helped you out, make sure to like this video and subscribe.